I ran out in a pajama top. Like, our house was on fire.
We don't have to eat on the floor.
You have to be a fire survivor.
We just donated 40 pieces of furniture here at Sense of Home, and take a look. Today we welcome families who are beginning the difficult process of rebuilding after the wildfires. Before they arrived, volunteers moved in and out of each space, carrying furniture, arranging rooms, and carefully preparing every detail.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, right? Yeah. You could feel the anticipation in the room, the joy of helping someone, mixed with the nervous excitement of welcoming a family into a new beginning.
All right, everybody. Welcome. So this is a room that the team put together for you. Come on, come grab a seat on your new sofa. You can come.
I mean, imagine losing everything you owned in one night. And that's the situation facing most of the folks that we're supporting. Right. So their needs are many, from trying to find a new place to live, to dealing with pets, dealing with relatives, children, kids, sports, schools, all that things.
What we do at A Sense of Home is really try to create a space that feels inspiring to the people that we serve, right? It makes them feel safe and comfortable, and it feels like their own, so that they're able to be the best version of themselves.
But last night, we were prepping our space, dusting, mopping, vacuuming, just making sure that the space is ready for all the things that we were preparing. So when the space was clear, and we knew within a couple of, like 12 hours, it was going to be filled again, to make it seem like it's a space that we would want to come back to. Right. In the process of rebuilding is where it did come to me that okay, now we're going to fill this space with something. We don't have to eat on the floor. We actually have chairs to sit in.
Wow.
Like that's coming back.
So was like your home like completely?
Yeah, everything.
Oh wow.
Everything was gone. Everything. A lot of the things, everything that we survived on for the past year and a half has been donation. Like, this is not my clothes.
Oh wow.
This was all donations. My shoes, my glasses, everything was donations. So we've had to survive on a lot of generosity from from organizations like this, and your company donating. Mostly for my two sons, for them to give them a space that they can come back to sit and interact with each other. We'll interact with each other in any situation really, but it makes it a lot more comfortable. Right. I think we're all very resilient, given what we've gone through, but making that space and time more comfortable, is really helpful. Thank you to the volunteers. Thank you for SICOTA for donating. Again, it's something that if the volunteers weren't here, or if SICOTA wasn't here to donate, we'd have to do it on our own. Right. And that's on top of everything else that we're doing as well. Right. Obviously it's not easy, but when you take the time to think about the people that were victims of the fire, it's not just the fire and recovery. It's a full-time job to recover. Yes. Because both, we're working parents. My kids go to school. And after we're done with work, we're filling out applications. We're coming here on a Thursday. We're calling the gas company. We're talking to our legal team. Every single day is something. So any little help that we get along the way is we're really grateful for it.
My son is a scout to his own.
Yeah. Oh, really? Okay.
Wow.
Okay. In there and look at another for the props.
I mean, this can fit in anything.
You were a survivor. You lost your home.
There was a lot of initial trauma. I mean, we were in the part of Altadena that wasn't notified, and so we literally I ran out in a pajama top. Like, our house was on fire, and we didn't know. My husband and I were able to. I mean, we're alive, so that's a pretty
Were
good
you
start.
hurt or anything?
No.
Okay.
No. We made it. My car melted, and we lost our pets. We had lost my design business, so I needed to do something creative, and I thought, I have to be a part of this team. Number one, because I know what it feels like to lose everything and feel completely lost. but also I know that furniture is more than furniture. When somebody reaches over and touches a pillow, or they see a bedside stand and they open the drawer, like, what am I going to put in there? It's so gratifying. It just is wonderful.
You guys did a good job. I saw, because I had no expectations when I first came, and then when I saw the homes or the living room spaces that you guys put together, it was honestly, like, I was so touched. Like, I would love to have those furniture pieces too. After losing the entire home, having a bed, a table, or a place to sit is already better than having nothing. And when something is given to you, it can feel like you should simply be grateful and not ask for more. But being here made me think differently about the phrase, at least it's something. Because sometimes those words can carry a painful message. They can quietly remind someone that the home they knew is gone, that the life they once felt familiar has been disrupted, and that from now on, they should simply accept whatever is available. Then I walked into these thoughtfully designed spaces. I watched the designers and volunteers carefully choose each piece and consider how everything would come together. It's not just to fill an empty room, but to make it feel like a home. And then I realized, this is about more than giving furniture. It tells every family who has lost a home. You may have lost the peace you once lived, but you have not lost your right to be cared for. You still deserve comfort, you still deserve beauty, and you still deserve a place that feels like yours. And your life does not have to become a lesser version of what it was.
The way in which we provide those items is done in a very thoughtful way. These are things that are going into someone's house. We don't just want to hand them a pile of junk. So our process is we have a team of volunteers that really curate items for each family.
As fire victims, everything has been taken away from us. To have the support of corporations and companies, and it's like they're saying, we see you.
It is so amazing for us to partner with SICOTAS. A large part of what we do is based on donations for furniture, and to have beautiful, amazing furniture pieces to place in the homes of those we serve is so transformational and makes such an impact on someone's ability to really thrive.
1, 2, 3, resilience!